My better person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you. This na Favours blog and we bring you Open Heavens daily devotional for Wednesday, when we the 28th day of August 2024. Our topic for today na personal devotion. Personal devotion. Our Bible reading for today, it come from the book of Psalms chapter 63 from verse 1 go reach 8. Oga, na you be my God, and it don't tey when I dey wait for you, because my soul dey hungry for you. My whole body dey hungry for you inside this dry and parch land wey water no dey. I don see you for this temple, come see your mighty power and glory. Your love wey no dey fail, e better pass life. So I go praise you. I go praise you as long as I dey this life. I go raise my hand, come pray, give you. Just as meat dey satisfy person, na so too you satisfy my soul. So my mouth go always praise you. And for night, I no dey fit sleep because I dey think about how you help and save me. I dey sing for joy because I dey under your shadow. I hold you tight because na your strong right hand dey save me. Our memory verse for today na from Psalm 42 verse 1. Make we read am together. My God, just as there dey find water to drink, na so too I dey find you. Make we enter the message wey God get for us today. No forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and on the notification bell. You no go fit dey close to person only when you dey relate to am with group of people. If you really wan get very close to person, you go need to spend time alone with that person. E dey very good for you to get your family devotion where all the members of your family go come together, they go study the Bible and they go pray. And e dey very necessary to attend Bible study and prayer meeting with other people for church. However, you no go fit dey very close to God if only you no sit down alone with yourself, with your Bible, and study the Bible and spend time alone with God for inside prayer. Na this one be your personal devotion time. God dey relate with individual, not be with group of people. Even inside group, when God wan talk to person, e dey always dey address himself to one person at a time. For example, e dey talk to all the members of one church inside one city like that. When e talk for inside Revelation chapter 3 verse 20 say, listen, I stand for the door dey knock. If anybody hear my voice, come open the door, I go enter go meet am, come follow the person chop, and he sef go chop with me. Although God dey talk to the entire church, e use singular pronoun like the way they call am for Oyibo, meaning dey talk to one person. This na why many times when I dey preach and God wan give person miracle, e go talk through me say, e get one person for here. 2 or 3 people fit get their miracle from that word but e just address each and every one of them separately. God wan get individual relationship with you. The relationship wey your pastor, your mama or your papa, or your Bible study teacher get with God, e no concern you. E wan connect with you personally, and until e don get personal connection with you, you no go really know who e be. To build this personal connection with God, you must get personal altar. This na place or time when you dey meet God daily. E fit be place and time together. You go set out time every day to study your Bible and to pray. And you go discover say as you start to dey get personal time with am, you go always dey get conversation with am. You go dey always dey talk to am every time, either on something wey be say e dey teach you or something wey you dey try to understand as you dey read your Bible. Your altar no be place wey be say you only dey come meet and say, God give me, God give me, God give me. Na place wey be like say you dey come to regularly build personal relationship with am. So wetin we go think about today after this message now be say how your relationship with God be. Now here we take come to the end of today's message. This na still Open Heavens Daily Devotional wey be say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write. And not forget say na Favours blog na im bring and give you today. Don't forget to like this video, abeg, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. If you don't do all these ones, thank you very, very much. But if you never do am, abeg, do am make you for join this ogbonge family. We go see for our next video.